Hey, just want to have my first cup of coffee with you, wishing you a happy new year, and want to make sure that you get the things you want in your life this year. Sometimes having somebody else pull for your goals and your dreams is what you need. So I just want to affirm 2024 is going to be a great year for you, and all the things you want. You're out there trying to buy real estate this year. I'm going to buy a bunch of it. I hope you buy more than I do. Manage it well, take care of the tenants, take care of your debt. The guys out there that are maybe building e-commerce businesses, may your e-commerce business explode this year. This is my affirmations for your life for 2024. I'm gonna push and pray on your dreams and goals. If you're in e-commerce, and may your customer base blow up 100x, not just 10x. And if you're looking for that relationship, that special relationship, there's my wife over there. I found that 20 years ago this year. May you find the perfect person for you. May that person find you. And may you guys have the energy and the commitment necessary to make that work. For those of you out there that are maybe struggling with an addiction or problems or situations, may that thing go away this year somehow, miraculously. And whatever it is you want, money, things, they'll disappoint you. The things will disappoint you. But if you're pulling for that, go get it, man. If you want it, go get it this year. I'm pulling for you. And your health probably is the most important thing. If you have your health and your energy and your creativity, energy to go out and get it, wake up in the morning, you want to go pump it and push it and shove in, and that's the thing that makes the rest work, right? Whether you're doing real estate or business, or maybe you're going to have an IPO this year. Like some of you out there got way bigger dreams than I have at this point, and I'm pulling for you. I hear people talking about trillionaire status now. I'm like, okay, go get it. Hey, just because I can't think with it doesn't mean you can't. So, wishing you a happy new year. Everything that you want, may it bring you the satisfaction that you think it will. Most oftentimes, unfortunately, it won't. Because it's always on to the next thing, right? Hey, what's the next thing? So may you find some, I don't know, fulfillment in the things you accomplish. And I'm hoping for you and for your benefit that you never get fully complacent and satisfied. I have this beautiful spiritual divine discontentment in my life where I'm never satisfied. I'm grateful, but never satisfied. I mean, look at this. Damn, how can you complain? Is that gorgeous? I remember when I just wished for this stuff. I used to write down every day like it was a new year. And I truly believe this is part of why my life has been created the way I have it today. So I used to write down every morning like a new year, like it was a resolution. In the morning and at night, I would affirm in the present time what I had accomplished, that I hadn't yet accomplished. And I would write down this little planner or legal pad or whatever piece of paper I had, or if I'm flying in the back of a plane on commercial that I flew in for 30 years, sitting in seat 22B between two strangers on a 5-hour flight from Cincinnati back to San Diego. And I would sit and write my goals down. I'm gonna own a helicopter. And I'd get rid of I am and just write I own a helicopter, I own a plane. Okay, I have finances to pay for all these things. Because you don't want all this stuff and not be able to pay for it. I think a lot of people ask for all this stuff and they want all this stuff and they forget, bro, you gotta manage cash to do that. So maybe added to your affirmations is, hey man, I know how to manage cash. I know how to manage money. If you guys are gonna raise money this year for investments, be sure you add to your affirmations that you know how to manage other people's money. Otherwise, you're going to go to prison. Make sure that you're asking and wishing for those other things that maybe we take for granted, not just to be rich and happy and healthy, but hey, I have the energy to do the work to stay healthy. I wake up in the morning with the desire to go work out. What about wishing for that stuff? See, that'd be a cool thing to wake up with. I wake up every morning with the energy to go get my goals and dreams accomplished. You know, I wake up with knowing how to go get the right connections. I always have the energy to make that extra trip to go meet the people I need to meet in my life. That's the things that I would tell you this year that could be affirmed or could be added to your goals or wish list. Not just I win the lottery, but I had the energy to go buy the ticket, had the money to go buy the ticket. I was in the right place at the right time. You could literally affirm that. Hey, I'm in the right place at the right time. I have the right friends at the right places at the right times. I have the right connections. I'm buying things at the right time at the right price, right? I am in the best health of my life, and I work out every day to take care of that, because you don't want it just to be a miracle. Because if it was just a miracle and you just had great health, guess what? You're not going to know how to duplicate the great health again. So I'm wishing, pulling for you, affirming for you, but you got to do the rest of it, okay? You want to have a great life? Sit down and write about it. 2024 could be the best year you ever had. This could be your big year. Now, it can't be the best year, the great year, if you got some of these other problems that I had when I was 25 years old. I had a drug problem. I had a people problem. I had a decision-making problem. I had a confidence problem. I had an ethics problem. I had a self-worth problem. And I had to fix that. So in the beginning, it might be, look, I have to do the work. I am waking up today to do the work necessary for me to become the person I need to be, want to be, and deserve to be, and I know I am worthy of. So 2024, a year of affirmations and action. This is going to be the year for you and for me that we go out and blow up and prove to all those people that counted us out, including ourselves. Prove to all those people out there that thought we were crazy when we were dreaming. Prove to all those people out there that we are consistent, dependable, ethical, energetic, and we're not crazy. We're not crazy. We're actually visionaries that make the future a reality because of the actions we take in the present time. May God bless you with all this and more prosperity and health and happiness and people. If we cross paths this year, please stop and say hello to me, all right? Buy me a cup of coffee. 4 shots. There's my wife in there watching me right now. 4 shots and foam to the top. Okay, may you have a blessed and great 2024.